Welcome back. It's time to look at another simple song. Still learning the guitar, basic chords, nothing like flash, like picking or anything, just chords, and singing along some easy songs as well. So this song was recommended to me by my beautiful Bree. Thank you very much. It's called Just an Illusion, and it's by a lady named Julie Zara. If you don't know her, look her up. She does a beautiful version of this song, whereas my version is just very simple guitar playing, simple singing. But I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe. I'm playing it in A. I've been told by living like a star, and hotel rich champagne and caviar, but no one ever showed me the reverse, that it really hurts, baby, it really hurts. They try to sell your body and your soul. It's the price you pay for rock and roll, and no one understands it, how you feel, for it's so unreal. Oh, it's so unreal. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. Just an illusion, just an illusion. When critics crucify your latest show, another trick and then you lose control. But then on stage I feel a fire burns. There is no return. I'm always on the run. I give it to you, babe, with all my heart, for it's not too late. Oh, it's not too late. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's just an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's just an illusion, just an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's just an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's just an illusion, it's just an illusion.